Hey everyone! So you've got your Hester M3 and you're ready for that crystal clear view. But let's be real, there's an art to getting a streak-free finish, especially if your windows haven't seen a cleaning all season. Today, I'm going to be sharing pro tips with you to help your robot perform like a champ. First thing to know, if it's the first clean after winter, one pass is probably not going to cut it. Think of it like a deep clean. It might take multiple runs to get through months of buildup. For the best results year-round, try to run your Hester M3 once or twice a month, just to keep the grime from settling in. So here's the golden rule. Don't let your robot wander around with a filthy cloth. If your windows are really dirty, don't wait for the robot to finish its entire run. If you see streaks, that means the pad might be saturated. Change the cloth mid-clean, so the robot isn't just moving dirt around from one corner to another. Now, if the dirt's dried on, you're going to need a little help from your cleaning solution. Pour some window cleaning liquid directly onto the cloth. This helps the robot break down and lift the grime much more effectively than the automatic spray alone. So you're going to put it directly on the robot, and here you see that there's some wrinkles. You would just want to get that readjusted, like so. Our customers also tell us that they like to spray directly onto the window, just like when you're cleaning manually, to get the best results. Just remember to find the right balance. Too much liquid on the window might make it too slippery for the robot. Just as when cleaning manually, it's also important to avoid cleaning in hot, direct sunlight, as the cleaning solution can dry too quickly, leading to streaks before the robot finishes its cleaning cycle. Now when you get started, place the robot on a small, pre-cleaned spot and leave a little bit of space from the window frame. Now, if the robot finishes and you notice one stubborn spot that stayed dirty, don't stress. You don't need to restart the whole cleaning cycle. Just use the manual spot cleaning mode to drive the robot exactly where you need it to go. Now for a professional finish, the next cycle is going to be a nice clean blue cloth. This is your polishing phase. Now during this cycle, you're not going to use any spray at all. You're just going to let this microfiber buff the glass to a perfect finish. Finally, take care of your tools. You need to clean your cloths and sensors regularly. Dirty wheels and sensors can lead to streaks, so cleaning them regularly leads to a streak-free finish. So here's how to clean the wheels. Just press the up button and hold.
Starting wheel cleaning.
And also the sensors. Just follow these steps and the Hester M3 will keep your home looking bright and beautiful. Happy cleaning!